Using TradingView effectively can enhance your trading experience significantly. Begin by creating an account on the platform, which offers free and paid options. I'll put it all in the description with each different features. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a customizable dashboard. To start analyzing markets, search for the asset that you want to track using the search bar. TradingView provides charts for a wide range of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. The chart interface is intuitive, allowing you to choose different time frames and charts such as lines or candlestick charts. Use the extensive tool set available for technical analysis. You can add indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to directly go in your charts. Okay. TradingView also features a social aspect, engaging with other traders by sharing ideas, following market trends, and joining the discussions. This community can provide valuable insights and strategies. Finally, you got to take advantage of the alerts feature. You can set alerts for price movements or special indicators for special conditions. So if you're not monitoring it, you get an alert, boom, you get in, you get out when you want. By exploring these and utilizing these features, you can make more informed trading decisions.